How to travel and get paid at the same time. That is what we're going to be covering in this video today. Welcome. My name is Nina, a digital marketer, and by the end of this video, I want you to realize that no matter your age or no matter your current lifestyle, that you can travel and get paid at the same time. In this video, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process that I'm following that enables me to earn money online and live my travel dreams, something that I want for you too. Did you know that the digital age makes it easier than ever to create online business streams, online income, and you don't even need to have tech skills? One of the biggest problems or hindrances that prevented me from delving into this world of digital marketing, online marketing, content creation is that I only thought it was like for those young 20-year-olds out there, or that you needed a whole load of tech skills or computer and media skills. I didn't realize that an average person just like me would actually be able to create content that was valuable and useful to others out there. I love to travel and I want to be able to travel on my terms. I don't want my business to be holding me back and preventing me from enjoying traveling. And this is what I want for you. And this is what I learned with having the right system in place, is that I could choose my working hours. Plus, I was able to set up an automated system very, very smoothly, very, very easily by following a step-by-step process. I used the Legacy Builder program, and that was exceptionally helpful. Plus, it also gave me the master resale rights on programs that people were already searching for, like you probably looking on how to earn money online. Now, with this program, I was able to set up this automated system so my business works for me 24/7. I'm creating content on my terms in my time. And this is what I love. I don't have to go out there searching for customers. I'm creating content that attracts the right type of audience and customer towards me. So if you're watching this, you probably love to travel. You probably love adventure, and you're probably looking for a way to make money online, and you're probably wondering how you can get paid while you travel. Well, this is exactly it. This means I can be here on a boat, traveling, creating content, and earning money in the same time. And this is what I want for you. Now, the biggest problem that I had, or the next problem that I had, is that I didn't know if this process would work for me. I didn't know if I could actually trust it, if it was legitimate, or if this was just like a get rich quick scheme, or if this was like some multi-level marketing story where someone was going to earn a percentage from what I'd spent. Lucky for me, I met Lucy, and Lucy was able to answer all my questions. She also invited me to a webinar where I was able to listen in to other people who had exactly the same questions, because I was way too nervous to actually put up my hand and ask questions. But others were asking questions that I wanted to ask, that I wanted answers to. And so with that webinar, I learned a lot more about myself. I learned a lot more about digital marketing, and I learned a lot more about the process. And so this is exactly what I want for you. I want you to be able to have a person that you can connect with and ask questions and find out if this is going to be something that works for you. So if you head to my website, which you'll find in the descriptions below, you can even just pop ready in the comments below and I'll send you that link. You'll then get my email address and you can ask me any questions that you want via email, and I can even get back to you on WhatsApp. So if this is sounding like this is something that will work for you, if this is something that would work for your lifestyle, then grab that free blueprint, ask me any questions, and I'll also send you an exclusive invite to the next up and coming webinar where you can ask questions, or like me, you can just sit back and listen in. And from there, again, probably have every single one of your questions answered. Have a beautiful day, and I will catch you again very soon.